Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's very important for our overall health and well-being, healthy eating. Eating a balanced and nutritious diet can have a big impact on our physical and mental health, and in this video, we're going to discuss some tips and tricks for incorporating healthy foods into your daily diet. Tip 1. Start with breakfast. Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It sets the tone for the rest of your day and gives you the energy you need to start your day off right. Try to opt for a healthy breakfast that includes protein and fiber, such as oatmeal with nuts and fruit, or a vegetable omelet. Tip 2. Make smart snack choices. Snacking can be a great way to keep your energy levels up throughout the day, but it's important to choose healthy options. Reach for fruits and vegetables, yogurt, nuts, or seeds instead of processed snacks that are high in sugar and unhealthy fats. Tip 3. Incorporate more plants into your diet. Adding more plants to your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can be a great way to increase your intake of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aim to eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. Tip 4. Limit your intake of processed and high-fat foods. Processed foods are often high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, and should be consumed in moderation. Try to cook at home more often, using fresh ingredients, to ensure that you're eating a healthy and balanced diet. In conclusion, eating a healthy and balanced diet is essential for our overall health and well-being. By incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet, limiting your intake of processed and high-fat foods, and making smart snack choices, you can improve your physical and mental health and feel your best every day. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. We'll see you in the next one.